This is a $400 CFexpress memory card. And here's the reader for it, which is another $118. Now, I'm not here today to complain about how expensive this card is, but it's not every day either that you get to unbox a memory card that costs this much. So this is what it's like. Yep, I'm actually making an unboxing video for a memory card. I can't believe I messed up the focus on that. But anyway, I was curious about what else I might find in what I consider to be a rather large box for a pretty small memory card. The answer is quite a lot of documentation. This lovely pink note warns you to be careful of a possibly hot card after extended use. Now, I haven't had the pleasure of getting burned by any memory cards before, although I would probably sound a lot less smug about it if I have. And again, for such a little card, that is quite some amount of documentation. Buried underneath, the card itself. That's where your money went, right here. And chances are, if you're buying these, you will be buying more than one of them. So that's 160GB worth of Sony's tough CFexpress Type A storage, and now the reader for it. In the much bigger box, you have the reader nicely wrapped inside, and I can tell you it is a surprisingly hefty metal enclosure for a card reader. Sony is also kind enough to include two choices of cables, USB Type-C to C and Type-A to C. You get yet another huge sheet of documentation, and now let's unwrap the reader. It's got a textured metal finish, and I cannot get over how astonishingly robust this feels for a card reader. It feels like you're holding a portable SSD. Well, with a CFexpress in there, it might as well function like one. It is incredible how fast memory cards have become. But don't let the single card slot fool you, this can also read your standard SD cards. But right here is over $500 worth of gear. If you enjoyed this, maybe I'll catch you in one of my other videos.